One discipline is on one romance mommy water. I just soundtrack mom already in touch with her mom. Not one who is stuck on her childhood trauma, doing stupid shit, selling herself short, which she of course won't take responsibility for. And why would she take responsibility for anything when she has childhood trauma on hand to take the fall? No, he ain't job somebody who has healed themselves. Read between the lines. I'm only available for productive pleasure. I don't wanna fuck for a cruise. If she opened her temple to me, I'll strike deals with her chi. While in her temple communing, while missionarying in her portal, I'll communicate to her more to bet me wealth and power from their kingdom. And since now we're Boafia, that in exchange, I willingly commit myself to being nice to her and to do my bit to take care of her for the entirety of this incarnation. Whether we tie the nuptials, get married, or if she marries another. Big juju shit. Fekemalogu, Obudagu. But guess who knows this juju? Okite boys. Saw someone no Balusiego Nemerons. So isn't it better when everybody might be Ema? If she opens her temple to me, be sure that I will strike deals with her chi. If she opens her temple to you, you are striking deals with her chi. Isn't it interesting that we are taught by the porn industry to misuse this opportunity for positive, sacred exchange, to instead call her bitch, slut, or reduce her spirits, energy, while you yourself, of course, come out a monster? Forgive me, I'm so sorry. We learn by fucking up. Tabubu, I'm no bido ta dibama. If it may be. Also, me I know lie you, and because of waiting stranger go talk, where I know they paste my account number and USDT barcode for every video where I shoot. Because while I'm open to working with brands and earning my value, who know like love, free money, and of the over 200k impressions weekly, there are at least 20 people who like my shit enough, find it valuable, right? It's all about value, and would not mind sending me 1k USD each. Ego iPhone 15, Obelego, same J, upgrade my phone, can accept all of our video. Use the rest, finish my crib, install electric fence, take barricade myself from the rampaging Christians. Fucking Christians are an occupational hazard from thought-provoking content in touch of their demon. You know, greed them sleep. So you know better to come the suffer, they use Android phone, shoot ancestors message instead of to risk waiting stranger go talk. Man, if you loan may stranger die fam. Each up eating alpha different and boot. Let me know. And dalu fund it in your gate. Thanks for streaming Holy Mail tutorial in the Ogommo. Yagazi.